Six Flags.
Woo! Excited?
Uh-huh.
Whoa! There they are, Kyla! What are you getting? Gonna get the pirate? You're gonna see how it's gonna look on you. You gotta get a mustache and an eye patch.
Don't want to hit them.
Caleb, you got a beard.
I see it.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fire it out. There you go.
Thank you. Let me see. Woo! Woo! You gonna ride the trucks? Caleb. Hi. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you dizzy? Uh-oh. You feel like you're gonna barf? No. Caleb! Hi, buddy. Bye. Bye, Ken. Bye. Whoa. Bye, Caleb. Oh. Look behind you. Look back there. Batman, Superman. Uh-oh. What'd Daddy buy you?
A lollipop.
That's like a giant lollipop.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at it.
Okay, you can have it.
I can have it, Dad.
Whoa. We gotta get the Joker, Caleb.
It's gonna go.
Yeah. Wow.
Dragon, you ready?
Oh, that's cute. Alright, kids. What color are you gonna get? You gotta guess.
Okay. Whatever it is.
Oh wait, I think it's yeah. Where are you going? Caleb, are you excited?
Yay!
Let me see what you got. Oh
If you
man.
collect all
If you collect what?
of
You get a prize? Oh wait, you gotta go in here. Next stop. Go in there. So I can take a picture of you. Okay, you got your thing. We've got to look for all the clues. Whoa. Look over here.
Is this guy?
Hey, look at, oh wait, cool, look at this. Oh, he's so cool. He's so cool. Just a second. Does his head turn all the way around? What?
Heck
Oh, that's cool. Wait, where's Caleb? Oh, cool. Oh, that's awesome, Caleb. Look. Look at all the giant, they're like giant Legos. What is it?
We need to build a robot.
Wait, Caleb, do you see they're all red Legos and blue Legos and green and yellow? That's cool. Wow, look at that. You remember it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Are you excited, Caleb? We're going into the Kingdom Quest. The Kingdom Quest.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes!
Here comes our ride. We're number 3. Are you ready? Yay! Whoa, it came from Santa's village. Look. Oh, that's so cool.
Look, Minecraft.
I think there's more Minecraft over here. Look.
Well,
Oh,
what was
cool.
that?
That's awesome. Look, there's the treehouse. That's the jungle abomination. Mario, Bowser. Oh, Caleb. It's Jurassic World. Whoa. Oh, Caleb, look.
Baby.
It's Yoda. It's Yoda and Baby Yoda. Caleb. Look in here. Wait, let's see.
Wait, can I take it off?
No, you just look at it up close. It's like a magnifying glass to look at the stone. See it? That's the Eternals. Caleb, look at this. Wow. That's cool.
What's this?
That's like, it's a Star Wars, it's a Star Wars swastika? Oh.
Mom,
What? Oh, cool.
I'm gonna get this together.
Wow, look at that. That's awesome. Hey, look up.
No, man.
Yeah. You're gonna love this place. All right, you gotta follow the footsteps. Follow you. Hey. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna follow you, Caleb.
This is so cool.
We gotta stop by the tiger. Caleb, did you see the elephants over there?
Yes, do you like
Cool. What? Oh my, what is it? Oh my gosh. There's a bird, an elephant. He's moving. Look, see if he moves. You gotta say hi to him. Maybe he'll move. Butterfly. I see. Wow. That's like their song. Oh, it's looking at you.
Is Tracy Tree.
Oh.
Everybody loves animals, from parrots to snakes,
Don't touch it.
monkeys to tropical fish.